morning students. Today I am going to give you an activity which is a math activity in which I am going to tell you 6 major types of soils which you have to fill in your map, and after filling that, paste that map in your notebook. Clear? So these are the 6 major types of soil which found in our country are alluvial soils, black soils, red soils and yellow soils, laterite soils, arid soils, and last one is forest soils. So first let's start with alluvial soil. It is found in our country in this northern plains. Clear? It is found here because lot of rivers flow through this region, and main river is Ganga river and its tributary. This is the region alluvial soil is found here because these rivers bring sediments with them and settle down here. Same thing is happen in Assam also. In Assam, the main river which flow here is Brahmaputra, which brings sediment and settle down here. Now come to West Bengal. In West Bengal, because of Ganga and Brahmaputra river, the alluvial soil is found here, and in this eastern coastal region because of Mahanadi in Odisha, in Andhra Pradesh because of Godavari and Krishna, and in Tamil Nadu because of Kaveri, that sediments settle down here, and the alluvial soil found here which make deltas. Okay, these rivers make deltas here, and this is the reason alluvial soil found here. Now come to this western part. In western part, in some part of Rajasthan and Gujarat also alluvial soil found. This portion, okay, you have to show, and this coastal region and this portion of Gujarat where the alluvial soil is found. Next is black soil. In our country, the 3 main regions where the black soil is found, these are the major regions which I am going to tell you: Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Clear? These are the 3 major regions. Now in patches also, in some region it is found that are Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. You have to show. Clear? Now come to red and yellow soil. Red and yellow soil found in our country in eastern and southern part of our country. In eastern, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya will come. And here Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. Clear? And this Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and little bit part of Maharashtra you have to show. Clear? These areas are covered with red and yellow soil. This soil is rich in iron content. This is the reason most of the iron ore mines are found here in Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Next is laterite soil. Laterite soil found in our country in areas where most of the rainfall occur, and these 2 regions are western coastal region and Meghalaya. When the monsoon enter in our country, it do most of the rainfall in this region, in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Kerala and Meghalaya. In this western coast, due to Arabian Sea, when the winds blow from Arabian Sea and bring moisture with them, it do most of the rainfall here, and because of Bay of Bengal, winds which blow from here and do rainfall in Meghalaya, most of the rainfall in Meghalaya. This is the reason the most of the rainfall occur here. And laterite soil, it is unfertile soil. The reason is when the rainfall occur, okay, so it wash off the upper layer of soil and it make unfertile that region. So this is the reason laterite soil is unfertile soil, and it found in these regions where the most of the rainfall occur. Now next is arid soil. Arid soil is found in the dry region, and the dry region of our country are Gujarat and this Rajasthan and Gujarat. These 2 regions you have to show, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Okay, now next is forest soil. Forest soil is also called mountainous soil, and mountains are found in our country in these regions. This Jammu and Kashmir, Union Territory, Ladakh, it is also Union Territory, this Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Clear? So this is called forest soil. This is found in these region, which is colored with green color. Okay, so these 6 soils I told you today. So you have to write in your notebook and fill in a map. Okay,